Yep, bafethu, sanibonani bafethu. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Facebook, bafethu. I speak nothing but the truth. No fear, no favor, bafethu. Yeah, na izindaba bafethu. Umbokazi, there is a proposal for Umbokazi from Chicago Fire, a team that plays in MLS League. Yeah, bafethu, for 3 million US dollar. Yeah, bafethu. Mina, my point is, bafethu, if uMbokazi ahamba aya kuleyo team, kufanele ku-national team angasabizwa. Fact. Everyone oyile kuleya league akadlali ku-national team. Ngitshele ubani odlala kuBafana Bafana odlala kuleya league. Sinawo ama-player adlala lapha, but uHugo Broos wathi leya league ayikho competitive. Ama-player wala eSouth Africa mawaya ayojoyina leyo league angeke asawabiza. You can if usakhumbula, go and check istori sakaMailula noHugo Broos. Hugo Broos wathi if iSundowns ivuma ukuthengisa uMailula le, yena angeke asambize ku-national team because leya league adlala kuyo uMailula is very weak. But azange asho njalo kuNkotha. You know why? It's because usebenza noHellman Mkhelele. uHellman Mkhelele makangekho ku-national team bafethu, uPirates abaziyo bazi, mawungazi ungaphikisi. uHellman Mkhelele i-legend le-Pirates, makangekho ku-national team u-Orlando Pirates, so une-influence ukuthi hhayi Hugo Broos ungasambizi loya muntu loya. Same as abo-Saleng, abo-Lorch. It's not because Hugo Broos akabafuni, uya-influence-a ukuthi hhayi ungalandi uLorch. uLorch usuke walwa ne-Pirates, uSaleng ulwa ne-Pirates ungamlandi. Singamane sidlalise uNkotha, umuntu odlala ku-league e-low bafethu, asikhulumeni iqiniso. Leya league uNkotha adlala kuyo iyabhadala. Singa-confuse ukuthi i-league iyabhadala kusho ukuthi i-strong. Ayikho strong, it's a Saudi Pro League. Udlala nabantu abalungisa amafoni, udlala nama-billionaire. La bantu abadlala noNkotha bathethisa u-coach, abantwana bama-king nama-prince nama-queen. Bathethisa u-coach ukuthi yeyi ngiyangena manje. Same as aboMbokazi, uyodlala nama-nigga le. Ama-nigga awanandaba nebhola. Ama-nigga awanandaba nje nebhola, singaze sikhohlisane. Singaze e-America mabathi i-football bakhuluma ibhola edlalwa ngezandla. You can check, ibhola bayabona ngoMessi. You can check. E-America i-sports mabathi football basho ibhola edlalwa ngezandla, not elikhahlelwayo. Not elikhahlelwayo. uMbokazi makangaya ngale bafethu, singabi biased. Kufanele simbuze uHugo Broos ukuthi mfethu, ngoba uthe wena uMailula i-striker manje sihluleka, asina-striker ku-national team ngenxa yaka-Hugo Broos. And abantu because abantu ama-South African adoma and lazy, they allowed Hugo Broos to do that. Usithathela abo-Forster, uForster bekadlala i-Pirates. I'm still proving ukuthi i-national team yethu kunabantu abangafuni ukubona success ye-national team without i-Pirates included. Even if they don't deserve ama-player we-Pirates ukuba lapha ku-national team, they will still call them. Phela i-Pirates ne-Chiefs ayikahluki nge-next. Just ukuthi i-Pirates beyiyenzani, beyithenga abo-referee to win ama-cup. That's the only thing. Besides that, i-Pirates eyifile nje. Besides that, i-Pirates ne-Chiefs ziku-standard esifanayo just because i-Kaizer Chiefs inale dignity yokuthi angeke sithenge abo-referee to win ama-match. If siyadliwa, siyadliwa. We are a big team still. Ku-Pirates ne-Chiefs yini egcine ukuwina i-league? It's Kaizer Chiefs. Pirates in 20 years or in 40 years iwine kayi-2 i-league la eSouth Africa. Yabo? So angeke ukuthi wena ama-player wakhona a-better, uzolanda wona just because they don't want to see i-success yeBafana Bafana ingana-Pirates phakathi. Like facts bro. If uMbokazi azochubeka adlale kuBafana Bafana, that will prove my point ukuthi uMkhelele une-influence kuBafana Bafana. You can't say wonke umuntu ocabane ne-Pirates akasadlali ku-national team. Hhayi bafethu, mina leyo angi-understand-i le. Danko.